Hi everyone. So today I come with one more amazing information regarding artificial intelligence. So AI can replicate the most human traits like our voices, how we talk, the tonality, the words we use, how we connect with others. So it replicates the entire our tonality and our voices. So here is an example, one more best example that I came with, and the Joe Rogan is an American comedian, actor, broadcaster, and a former TV presenter who has made a podcast with his voice. He has replicated, or AI has replicated his voice and the tonality and exact same thing that how he is talking to others. So let's take a look at the video of Joe Rogan.
Joe Rogan Podcast, check it out.
The Joe Rogan Experience.
Train by day, Joe Rogan Podcast by night, all day.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the very first episode of the Joe Rogan AI Experience. I'm your host, Joe Rogan, or at least that's what this AI model thinks I sound like. Let me tell you, folks, this is some next level stuff we've got going on here today. Every single word of this podcast has been generated with the help of ChatGPT, the cutting-edge AI language model developed by OpenAI. I am not the real Joe Rogan. Let me repeat it once more. I am not Joe Rogan, and the guests are not of the people they portray. This is purely fiction, just for fun, so don't go around making little clips for your TikToks and make the world believe I said things I never said.
How it was? Was it amazing? Yes, it is. Joe has used artificial intelligence to record his podcast. So for podcast he don't have to even re-record it. He don't have to edit it. AI can do it. He don't have to even create images and upload it on social media platform. AI can do that. And the last one is he has recorded the entire podcast without he has to show up in front of camera. So literally amazing, right? So the AI can literally going to impersonate all of us, and this would be tragic for some and totally liberating for some of them, those who know how to build. Alright, so this is it I wanted to show today. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.